Hello everyone, I am from KM Biomet. We design, manufacture and distribute new generation patient care equipment under Getwell brand name. We provide superior technology products and all our products are CE certified and it meets the international standards. Today I am going to talk about our international standard electric 3-function home care cot. So this is our cot and it also comes with an hand remote where you will have all the 3 functionalities. So you will basically have a backrest elevation option and a leg lift option and a height adjustment option. So I will show you how to use the remote. As you can see, we have an X-frame design, which is an innovative X-frame design which helped us to achieve height adjustments as low as possible. As you can see, it will go up to 400 mm. Which is mostly suitable for our home care, home, like every other cot. Like right now you can see I'll be able to sit like in our home care bed, like in our regular home bed and everything. So it is easier for the person to come and get out of the bed easily. So I can also get up easily and then I can also sit in a comfortable manner. So that is about the height adjustments. And also we have a backrest elevation option. It goes up to 70 degree, which gives the person a comfortable position. You can see I am pressing this and it gets elevated. And also we can lift our leg. So this goes around 45 degree, its position is up to 45 degree. So the person can sit at whatever position they require. So this is how it looks. And then we also have a collapsible side rails. I'll just increase the height. Okay, we also have a collapsible side rails where you just have to press this and then lift it out. It gets locked. Similar way you can press and then release it. It is for basically for the safety of the person. We also have superior electric motor with the most reliable technology electric motor. It comes with an IP54 international safety standard. Our home care beds and every beds have undergone a smart powder coating process by using the world's #1 powder with 8-tank pre-treatment process. We have casters, like our casters are superior quality molded casters which gives great maneuverability and it has a long lifetime. We also have buffers on 4 sides. This is called buffers. It is for protection purpose, and we also have IV stand holder. We have on the 4 sides of the cot basically. So this is called a 4-hook telescopic IV stand. We can also adjust the IV stand positions as per your requirement. So this cot is basically designed for home care users, and it's been appreciated by many doctors and hospitals also. So if you feel this product is, if you like this product, you can contact us for further information given in our drop box below. You can contact us anytime. Thanks for watching.